Video time. Let's see what we got. Probably another 4K. The Forever Purge. So I actually rented this, fell asleep, and now it was such a good deal on Amazon, $10, that I decided to get it again. Hopefully I will finish it. So this is the back. That's nothing different between the front and the back. I'll go ahead and get it open. Alright, so here's the Blu-ray. Not all that exciting, right? And this 4K disc at least looks nice. Looks kind of like the cover. Now the movie itself redeems at universalredeem.com, and on the back they give you points towards a free movie. So if you buy it, you can redeem it. Okay, thanks for checking out the video. Please like, please subscribe.